Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Maths Triangle Exercise 6.5 question number 16. Let's see the question. In an equilateral triangle, prove that 3 times the squares of one side is equal to the 4 times the square of its altitude. Now in an equilateral triangle, this is a equilateral triangle ABC. Prove that 3 times the square of its one side. Let me take all the sides to be A. If this is the altitude is also the median for your triangle. I am taking this to be A by 2 because we have taken this as A, so this will be half of your BC, so this becomes A by 2. Now let ABC be the equilateral triangle of side A. If I take this equilateral triangle to side A, then AD is perpendicular to BC, BD equal to A by 2. Now let's go with Pythagoras theorem of ABD. In triangle ABD, angle D equal to 90 degrees. So by Pythagoras, theorem, we know that AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Here AB is A square is equal to AD square. We want to find the altitude. For that reason, we are taking the Pythagoras theorem. Now bringing to this side, it becomes minus A square by 4 is equal to AD square. While taking LCM, we get this is 4 minus 1 will become 3A square by 4 equal to AD square. If I take a square to this side, it becomes root. Here for AD we can take root of A square, so we can take root of A square to be A. Here it becomes 2, root 3 we can't take, so we have found the value of AD. They have asked the square of the 3 times the square of the, so in LHS 3 times the square of the side is equal to 4 times the square of the altitude. This we need to prove. This is your RHS. So proving both at the same time, I am taking the A. We know that AB square is nothing but A square is equal to 4 into, now we have found AD, so just substitute the value here, A square by 2, A by 2 the whole square. This becomes 4 into, here if I square this becomes 3A square by 4. Here this 2 get cancelled. So 3A square equal to 3A square. The LHS equal to RHS. Hence proved. So taking both the side, I have proved it separately. You can prove LHS separately and RHS separately. Then we can say from 1 and 2, LHS equal to RHS, hence proved. That's all with the sum. Thank you.